Okay, here I am in the content library with all the tracks we have uploaded so far. And now what I'm going to show you is that how you can actually create different collections. So collections are important part of creating your palette shop, because once you upload your tracks, you need a way to organize them for you, first of all for you, but also for your listeners as well. So collections are like different groups you create and you put together these similar tracks into similar groups, and you're free to create as many collections as you want and organize your tracks as you wish. But these are very important for organizing your tracks and making accessible for your shop visitors. So we're in the content library, and to add a collection, it's actually quite simple. You just click on new collections and you set a name. For example, for the first one, I will go guided meditations. And then maybe I will add one related to sleep music. So I will call it sleep music collection. And then I will add another one called maybe healing music collection. And as I said, you can add as many as you want. But in this case, just for the purpose of demonstration, I just do 3. So now you have to add tracks to your collections. There are 2 ways you can do that. First, the simple way, you can just click on that collection and you click on add tracks, and it's going to give you the list. And here you can simply check mark the ones you want to add. That's the one way to do it. And then the other way is that if you go to all tracks and you see these 3 dots, you simply click on it and you can say add to collection. So if you have a track, you want to add it, you can add it to collection from your old tracks or from your collection, collection page. So here I'm gonna select basically it's a guided meditation, so you have just 2 of them. So I'm gonna select those 2 and then click on done. Once you do that, you're gonna see that inside your collection. So as you can see, I'm selected guided meditations, and then you see those 2 tracks. For sleep music, I'm gonna do the same. Click add tracks, and then I want to add this 5. Let's see. I want to add pristine, and then maybe this 4, 5 dreams of awakening. There we go. Yeah, just these 5 tracks. So done. So the tracks are added, and then healing music collection. I will add these 3, and then you shall heal, blah, and cleanse your soul. And just if a track is in one collection, it can also go to the other collections, meaning that, for example, I can have one track, I can have the same track in all 3 collections. So it doesn't, so you can add the same track on multiple collections and present them to your audience. So I have all 3 collections. Now, one thing I want to do, and it's a good practice, I believe, is that you have to. So the order you see in your collection is the same order you're gonna see on your shop. So in the content library is the place to change the order of the tracks. It's by default the order is set to newest first, so from new to old. If you see on the top right hand corner, from here you can do different ordering, like oldest first or alphabetical, and then order with duration as well. But what I like to do, I normally like to do my custom order. So once you put it on custom order, you can change the placement of the tracks by simply drag and drop. If you hover your mouse, you see on the card this 6 dots. If you drag that, click on it, you can drag your tracks and order them. I will put that in the first, and then maybe I will have this track, and then maybe I will bring cleanse your soul to the very end. And there we go. So I'm gonna do that for other tracks too. Maybe pristine. There we go. Then I will bring this here. There we go. So, and for the guided meditation, um, I think the order is good, but what I want to change here is the pictures. So there is an any picture. So when you create the meditation inside palette, it automatically assigns the photo, but you don't have to. You can always change that. So I'm going to click on the three dots again, and this time I'm going to click on edit. So in the edit, it's the same dialog box as you've been uploading your tracks, and here you can select a new image, and you can also change the title and add a description as well. So I just select that image, and then I will do the same for the other one, a quick relaxing meditation. I will select this one, and then description and title is all good. So I'm going to click on save. So we have all our tracks uploaded. We have set them in different three different collections, and we are all set to take these tracks and take these collections and actually create our shop page and designing our shop page and presenting these tracks for our members.